welcome to this YouTube channel. If you never heard of me or if you never saw my videos, my name is Stea, I'm a stand-up comedian, I am a content creator. What you're gonna see here is a video that I recorded in 2023, in the summer of that year. During that period, during that summer, I went to Portugal, I did a Portuguese tour in which I did some shows in English, I did some shows in Portuguese, and in that time I tried to record as much content as possible. I could have just made a long video, but at the time I was just trying to create here and there, here another idea, here's another idea, here's another idea, and I got a little nuggets of everything that never went anywhere because at the time I was just like, this is too short for YouTube. The idea is nice, but I was learning how to script a vlog, how to create a narrative, how to fulfill time in a better manner. Looking for jobs, but it's hard, especially near London. It's been very hard to find something. I get once in a while here part-time and some side hustles, but it's hard. By the way, the clothes and bath is for later on. I'm recording this on a Thursday. I might release this in the same day I'm recording, or I might launch this tomorrow, Friday. So, a comedy night today that I'm organizing, and I have another one that I'm helping organizing tomorrow. So yeah, I still have a few time to kill. I have time to spare time. So I'm recording this in which I will talk a little bit about myself, creating content, being frustrated because life is not moving forward. I have plenty of ideas for vlogs, for stuff that I want to do, but with no budget, it's hard to make those a reality. So yeah, trying to balance, like not losing the sanity, even applying for jobs. And that's the updates. I will try to bring more content like the one I will show you today, and I will talk briefly. That like, let me try to record here and there something, and I put this short video. It's 3-4 minutes, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, here's a little bit of introduction. Here's a little bit of what is gonna come. And enjoy, amuse yourself, and if you enjoy the channel, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, share, that sort of stuff. It really helps a lot, so stay with the video. Briefly speaking about, I just don't enjoy driving. It's not something that I truly have a pleasure on. I truly don't have a pleasure on. But when is needed, I do it. I just it's fine. Nice. This is like Twitch, but a not interesting one, not interesting stream. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting how I'm gonna edit the stuff, how I'm gonna make something interesting out of here. Hopefully I have a couple of clips that I can take for Instagram or whatever. This road is a mess. It's a mess. They could fix this road, but it's a fucking mess. Thank you very much. Next. And of course I'm not looking at the camera because I'm driving. People say don't use the phone and drive, but also don't use the camera and look at the camera while you're driving. You might get in a car accident, and you might get those people calling then, "Did you been in a car accident? Look at you, you went in a car accident." Ooh, the traffic. People really love me. Oh my god, they love me. They truly love me. They come and follow me. I feel this is gonna be the most unuseful footage that I'm doing, or that I've been doing. That's fair enough. It's raining, raining. It is raining. What about it? I don't know, it's just raining.